Welcome to today's lesson where we are going to unravel the mysteries of prepositions in English. Prepositions might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how they work and how to use them effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between other words in a sentence. They usually indicate the location, direction, time, or manner of an action or event. They act like the glue that holds a sentence together. Now, let's take a look at some common prepositions. Here are a few examples. In, I am in the room. On, the book is on the table. Under, the cat is under the bed. Between, she is sitting between two friends. Beside, he is standing beside the car. Above, the plane is flying above the clouds. Common prepositions: in, on, under, between, beside, above. Prepositions are also used to talk about time. Here are some prepositions that indicate time. At, used for specific times on the clock or for particular points in time. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. She arrived at the airport at midnight. On, used for specific days or dates. The party is on Saturday. My birthday is on July 10th. In, used for longer periods, months, years, and seasons. I'll see you in a few minutes. We go on vacation in the summer. She was born in 1995. Since indicates the starting point of a time period. He has been working here since 2010. They have known each other since childhood. For indicates the duration of a time period. We've lived in this house for 10 years. I'll be on vacation for 2 weeks. During, used to specify when something happens within a particular time frame. We had a lot of fun during the party. She fell asleep during the movie. By indicates the latest time by which something should be completed. Please finish your homework by 5 p.m. I'll be there by the end of the day. Until, till, specifies the end of a particular time frame. The store is open until 9 p.m. We'll wait here till you get back. From, to, describes the beginning and ending points of a time period. The conference is scheduled from Monday to Wednesday. He works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Before, indicates a point in time earlier than a specified event. I'll finish the report before the deadline. Please arrive at the station before the train departs. After, indicates a point in time later than a specified event. She left the house after breakfast. We'll meet up after the class. These prepositions of time are essential for communicating when events or actions occur. By using the appropriate preposition, you can accurately convey the timing of events in English. So, there you have it, a comprehensive understanding of prepositions of time in English. These little words play a big role in helping us convey when things happen. Remember, practice is key to mastering prepositions, and the more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become with their correct usage. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of prepositions of time. We hope you found this video informative and helpful for improving your English language skills. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos on language and grammar topics, please feel free to leave a comment below. And before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest language lessons and tutorials. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps our channel going. We'll be back with more exciting content soon. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time.